Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another affordable wig. Can you get into this one, guys? Isn't it absolutely pretty? Look at this color at the bottom. I don't usually play with color at all when it comes to my hair. I'm a creature of habit. I like to stick to what I like. I like to stick to what I know, so that's usually black. But I wanted to try some color whilst I was doing this, wig series. So this is how I'm incorporating color, and I absolutely love it. It's like the perfect highlight, the perfect brown. I think it complements my complexion, my skin. What do you guys think? So yeah, this one is by Freetress, and it's the invisible L part wig. This one is called Letty, and it's in the color PB30. Now you'll have to excuse if you hear some sounds in the back. Someone's doing like some construction work. But yeah, this one's from Freetress. This is what it looks like on the model, and this is what it looks like on me. So there's no lace around the perimeter. It's only lace where the parting is, so where that L shape is. My only issue with this one is because I think it doesn't have the lace, it kind of doesn't sit as nicely as I would like it. It kind of slides back up a little bit, so I feel like I have to keep pushing it down. But then again, I haven't braided my hair up because I've been just rocking my natural hair, so I just put it in a low ponytail and just put a wig cap on. So maybe if my hair was flat and I had braids, it would fit a bit better because the cap does feel a bit small. I've used the comb at the back and just gently used the two at the front, to hold it in position, but typically I would remove the combs. But I'll have to try it again when I braid my hair down and see the difference. But otherwise it's okay. I put concealer and powder in the parting just so it's a bit more, obvious. In terms of the parting space, you don't get as much as Janet Collection ones that I've shown you, the Supermoon and the, what's it called, Bailey. But yeah, it's enough, you can work with it. But yeah, I am in love with this color. As you can see, the curl pattern or the wave pattern is that soft kind of glam type waves. I think I prefer these types of waves and curls to maybe like the Supermoon. This one's got a bit more definition, and when you brush it out, I believe it would get really big and full, and I really like it. It's so pretty, guys. I'm so happy I picked this color. In terms of shedding, yes, it does shed, but I'm not really running my hands through it because I don't want to get all the curls out. So I've just kind of been, running it through the top, and it is, getting a little puffy and frizzy. I haven't really gone through the bottom. I won't go through it with a comb just yet. Tangles, like I said, I haven't really run my hands through it, but it's most likely going to tangle at some point because it is synthetic. But what I found with my Janet Collection ones, especially the Supermoon, is when it tangles, I can usually comb it out and get all the tangles out. And for synthetic wigs, that's a good thing because they generally do matte a lot more. But yeah, guys, it is absolutely pretty. Let me know what you think. So yeah, we're just going to move on to how I put it on, just so you can see how easy it is. So yeah, guys, before I go on, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. So yeah, that's it, guys. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.